What is up, you guys? Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat. If you can hear your boy speak, throw those A's in the chat right away. What is up, team? And good morning to you. Man, I'm looking at Meta right now. Take a quick little dump right here, right? Oh, sorry, wrong screen right there. Now you know your boy is actually messing it all up. Here we go. What is up, Mike J? How's it going, my dude? Ian Tucker, good to see you. The Gulati Network. What's up, my bro? That was I don't remember if I wanted to say Rajesh. I think I don't remember the name, brother. Alex, how you doing? Good to see you here. Katie Cat, Cyber Sultan, Joey Bryson, Andrew, what is good? What's up, June? Damon, always good to see you. What's up, WV? Man, it did have a nice run the last time, right? Check this out. Meta just got a 5-minute sell signal here, and we're starting to intensify that red color. I know that we have these supports coming up at that SMA 50, which is also very confluent to the meta bottom of this LRC 354.47. But yeah, I'm wondering if this just could continue downward from here. I was speaking to my brother earlier today, and I was noticing that this thing had a massive $7.88 average true range, right? So, you know, from this top side here of 357.20, the entire opposite way of this, all the way down here, would be that $7, almost $8 range, right? So I'm talking about wall to wall. Yes, gotcha, man. Rajesh, that's right. I remembered your name, buddy. I really wanted to make sure that I could do that, man. I felt a little ashamed that I didn't remember you, brother. But I'm very happy that you're here saying hello and chilling with the family. I love it. I love it. Alex, I'm feeling, I'm not feeling bad. Is that an answer? Right? I'm not feeling bad. I'm just winded. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually dealing with COVID over here, man. And it's so annoying. Steve Mertz, did you get in and out of that play or what? Let's see. No, you were worried about me, Arca, but after watching Mullen through the last two RSs, I knew that it was gonna happen on the third one. So you scaled out, right? You're out, brother. That's amazing. That's it. It was like a 90 to 100% runner yesterday, man. Mullen and its weirdness. I am so happy to hear that you took profit, though. Damn, brother. Well, I'm happy that you were able to bank on that. Not everybody is as lucky as that. Zen for life. Hope you feel better, bro. Can't afford to have you stay. Yeah, dude. I hear you, man. So, Ian Tucker, you still in there, buddy? Jeff Nielsen, what's up, man? Yeah, that's great, and that's the best way to do it, man. To see if you can, I was gonna say to see if you can just, you know what, that would be considered revenge trading in any which way, though. I'm going to continue saying that you're very lucky on that one, brother. Not everyone gets as lucky as that in the same ticker that they're losing on, right? A lot of people tend to have like a negative reaction towards the ticker that they're trading. And you know what, just like everyone else, I never traded AMC again because I had that huge grudge against it, you know, and I just stayed away. But Ian, so yeah, let's do this. Check this out. Let's go ahead and start off a brand new chart, right? Just the way that I would imagine you would, right? So, you see this thing up here, right? Let me put the arrow. This box up here. Oh, which one do you have? The do you have the Pro Plus or which one? Let me just add something here because I am watching this. So I'm gonna add the LRC. Let me put this on log. The premium? Okay, great. Yeah, so click on that box on top, right? The one that I just showed you. And then you're gonna get these options here. So if you're looking at like the one that I, would do. You can do this in several ways actually. So I'm gonna show you. I'll show you one. I'm gonna show you one that's a little different, right? So this. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. Yeah, let me do this instead. I'm gonna get rid of this screen. Let me start all over. And that's because I realized I had to do something first. Okay, so here, let's just add the RSI from this screen, right? So let's add the RSI here. Now we go to that box and select that multi-screen whatever. So I'm gonna do. We can do however many ones we want. Actually, it only has. Oh yeah, we can do it even up to this, right? So now you see that you have the RSI here on every single pane, right? What you have to do is click on that box again and make sure to select symbol, interval, time, and date range. So, actually, you know what? The interval, deselect the interval. So now make these large, like this. And in the center of the screen, you can always adjust that. So now on this one here, you can have your 30 minute, right? This one here, you can have your 1 hour. This one here, we can have the 4 hour. So, and then this one here, we could have maybe the 8 hour. And now you can have your master RSI down here. And this is the way that you're looking at multiple time frame RSIs with one screen. Does that make sense, my brother? And yeah. Let me see this. So let me know if you have questions, my brother. I hope that this worked out here. Bob, what is up, my brother? Sorry. Oh, WV, thank you so much. Guys, I'm feeling a little winded, and I have like a stuffy nose and an occasional cough, and that's what gets my voice to sound the way it does. Right, but other than that, I feel okay. But I get tired really easy. I definitely get tired really easy. Ian Tucker, yeah, man, you can do this with whatever, really. And this is just one of the layouts that Premium allows you to have, right? And then every single time, right, you can have this. Check this out. I don't even know if you knew this, right? Let's just say that you didn't want to have just the RSI. So on this screen here, the top right one, press Alt and left click, right? So then you could go into this individual screen, right? So here you can get rid of your RSI, right? Add BBWP and add stochastic momentum. I would honestly get rid and then press that, that arrow right here to put it on top. Go into the little 3 dots up here where it says Meta Platforms and get rid of the price action, put hide, right? And now meet these halfway. Like this, and then press Alt right in the middle here, Alt and then left click. And then you have volatility and momentum in one here, right? Then on this one here, you could have your RSI, all for the same time frame, or all for the same ticker. It's what I'm trying to tell you. So on this one here, you can even do this. Look, you can even do this on this one. I'm going to show you how to get creative, like really creative. This could be your 5-minute time frame momentum bands, right? You can have the momentum channels, just like this here. And this, we can have that as price action here on a 5-minute time frame with the momentum bands. So in case you need to see it real quick, you can just have it here. right? Damn, there's so many things that you can do though, brother. A lot of things. And yeah, but you can do two indicators of a kind in one screen. That's pretty neat though, right? Really good stuff. I still see weakness over the let me see this, where was the LRC? Yeah, I still see weakness here over Meta. And I think it could actually make it all the way to the downside. Maybe. I appreciate you doing this, and thanks everyone for your patience. Oh yeah, I bet, Ian. I bet, man. I love it. I love it when I get that huge, like, massive explosion in my head of ideas. I'm like, oh man, I could do whatever I want here. And there are so many options here, man. So many options. It's freaking awesome. It really is. Bob, Tesla not looking strong. I was noticing that earlier today. Kitties, that's going to definitely be with this pressure to the downside. I would honestly start to recover whatever you can, just in the event where the thing actually fails completely, right? Let me okay, man, I'm sorry. I just came in here to notice NVOS still at inflection here. Yeah, guys, I don't know if this thing is trying to set up a triple bottom here. It's not giving out. Let's see what it does here though. I'm curious about NVOS. So let me see hold on just a sec. Let me go to the hourly time frame. Okay, see what happened yesterday? This thing opened the candle right where we are right now, and then it shot up. So kitties, if you do get the chance here to recover somewhere between the area of around 25 cents to maybe 27, but I noticed that it has some ridiculous bounces too. So let's just say 25 to 30 to 30. Let's not say 30. Let's say 28.54. 25 to 28.54. Or what is this? What is this bottom? 28.52. Sorry. So 25 to 28.52. If you feel like it can be repositioned, or you can use that cash for better trading, I would consider maybe minimizing your risk. And we're speaking of a paper trade. I'm getting a few people talking about I'm getting a few people talking about Apple calls too. Let's see. Here it is right at the LRC bottom. And I'm wondering here if in the closure it's going to happen, right? So what's that closure looking like? 45 minutes and 46 seconds. Let's keep an eye on it, because the probabilities of it bouncing here are pretty great. It does have two candles right near each other for a bounce. Kitties, eyeballs on that, okay? Where the hell is FNGR for the family? I haven't really noticed that. Oh, nice. FNGR recovering into $4. What the hell? Lucky shot. Okay. What happened to the LRC? There we go. All right. So, let me go ahead and pick up here where we were. Okay, the SPY showing a little bit of weakness here. And you guys said calls for coin and for Meta. Tom, what's up, buddy? Here, remember what? I'm sorry, Apple and Meta, right? Kitties, I got you. team, I need you to remember something, okay? I need you to remember that I'm not feeling the best. So you have to, you would have to, it would be best for you to, you know, question my yeah, I would like for you guys to question whatever I say today. Okay, so be on the fence about it. Try to invalidate whatever I say, because I don't know if my psychology is slightly off because of what I'm feeling. I mean, technically the play, right? Remember that technically the play here. Hold on. So yeah, technically the play would be to long the 173.88. So 43 minutes and 38 seconds to go, and that would be the closure of the hourly candle above the linear regression band. So what is it that we have as resistance though? Actually, you know what? Let me look at. First of all, coin has a, oh my goodness, coin has an $8.17 average true range. So 169.76, it's already $6 up. 6, 7, 8. So it's got $2 more to go. Yeah, in this case, I would probably really, ideally I would like for this to pull back to 173. So 173.90, sorry. So around 174. Let's see. 174. Yeah, that would pull it back to around $5 of its true range. And then you would have another $3 to run with almost $4. What's up, Arca? I don't even get notified when you. What? You didn't get a notification when I went on live? That sucks. I mean, to tell you the truth, is Bitcoin is just so damn bullish right now. You know, it's it's almost a no-brainer to hold these to hold the coin calls here for even weekly or monthly expiries. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is, oh my goodness, look at that. It just beat the prior bar high. It's already an indication. So Alex, are you already long this? So if we're looking at the average true range top, 170.88, so that would be 178. Let's see how much. $8.19 or on $8.20, right? $8.20. Yeah, oh my goodness. You're talking about 179 resistance here. 179 is, damn, it's past the linear regression band. So right about here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it could have that power. Eyeballs on that, okay? Yeah, and then Riot, Wolf, I think all of those are doing pretty good. You were looking to buy most. Okay, good. So yeah, so then let's keep touching bases here to see if we can continue it. Let me look at Apple. Let's see. On non-TA thought, doesn't a company actually have to make money to keep its ascent? Coin continues to lose money. It seems a lot of people hope on an ETF. Oh yeah, so it's the broader market prop, right? So if the broader markets are propping it up, that's something different. And then Coinbase is alongside Gemini And what else? I mean, I know you can Weeble crypto, but like variety crypto would be Gemini, and Coinbase would be better than it. So they're technically like the only ones. I know there's more. Trust me when I say I know them, man. OKX, you have KuCoin, Binance. You still have you still have a bunch of them, right? You have Bybit. You have MEXC. There's a bunch of them. So sorry, were you saying, who was saying the Apple ticker? Who was asking me for Apple? Was that Rocka? What's up, buddy? You were looking for calls? Yeah, maybe. Maybe if this thing closes above that, it's holding off of that SMA 10 on the hourly time frame, right? So maybe if we can hold here above that 194.66 on the hourly linear regression, maybe it can actually do it. So, but yeah, Apple bringing it, man. That's whoa. And let's see what's going on with the SPY. Is it feeling it too? Yeah, the SPY actually wants to come back down to its regression bottom. That could be 474.50. Looks like Apple's actually falling with it. I wonder if actually let me see. I wonder if Microsoft is also kind of feeling that. No, Microsoft is actually propped up a little. The DXY is still capitulating. Okay, Amazon is dropping too. Similarly to yeah, that's very similar to Apple. Very similar. Oh my goodness. Here we go. So yeah, Meta printed a sell signal here. We got a triple moving average crossover, and we're starting to get the red intensity bands on the momentum channels. And you can see right in the spectrum, you have a clear in the color spectrum, right? It's dropping. You can see the fade. WV as far as GTII. US1 roll tide, my brother. $6.54% up on FNGR at 507, looking really good. We had just noticed that it was at $4 just a few minutes ago, looking absolutely powerful. So this candle here on Meta, 5-minute candle, may actually close beneath the double X. I remember you were here, my brother. How are you? I didn't say hello to you, and it just came into my mind. Just come in. Any update on NVOS? Yes, I don't know if you saw me talk about it. Did I talk about it? Please let's see what one of my guys on my crew felt like yesterday. He ended up having Joey Bryson. Some of your one of your dudes had the flu. That sucks, man. I'm really sorry to hear that. No way. Nike is in play then. Thank you, Alex. We're going to look at GTII, my brother. So, hold on just a sec. Okay, so, right. Sup, but what is good with you? Good to see you here. Zenon, no, I didn't. What does Solana do? Don't tell me that, man. Is it above 100 now or what? And let me look at that real quick, right? So let's just look at GTII real fast because I want to know the okay, two algorithms already printing a bull signal. Let me see the Let me see the momentum channels. Let me get rid of armor. Damn, momentum channels did it back here yesterday. Similarly, very similarly to the enhanced MACD. What the heck just happened? Okay, yeah, we have a buy signal here on the enhanced MACD, 15-minute and the momentum channels, 30-minute time frame. This already gave a buy signal down here. 4 minutes to close this 30-minute. Let's see the hourly. 33 minutes to close the hourly. No bull signal just yet, but I do know that this is the one for it. Wow. Okay. So as far as levels, because it actually is fulfilling what we were talking about, right? So here's the first step. If we can get a daily closure above 45.50, very bullish. That means then we have to start validating as support your 44.67 or 44.62 to 43.02. These would be the support bounces of if we close the daily above the 45.50. Then it'll start validating these areas as support before it bounces to the upside. That means that you're going to have a candle that has exposure to the inside of this and hopefully another daily closure above. The next step would then be to close the next daily candle above the 45.50 without exposure down here. And then after that, that would be a good signal to come back down and test the 45.50 as support. And then you would actually take off. So it is kind of a process. No news on FNGR, and it is now at 409. Coming up to the daily time frame EMA 21 at 417 as a point of potential resistance. So it's reclaiming the inside of the SMA 200 on a daily time frame. You know how bullish that can be. Coin. Where the heck is coin? Let's see. Yeah, let me just do another one of... Oh, hold on, guys. I hope my cat isn't in here. Hold on just a sec. Yeah, he totally was in here. I had to go and pop him out. But everything good. Everything okay. WV, you got it, man. No problem. Dang it, boy. Good morning to you, my brother. It's I think it's day 2 of COVID, man. So I guess I'm just waking up every single day, and I'm like, okay, so what's my sentence for today? So far nothing new. Still just that same slight cough. My nose getting a little stuffy here and there, and really winded. Yeah, Gizzy busy. Little Gizmo, he was back there behind my desk, and I don't want him messing around back there, right, because of the cables. But all good, team. Thank you, Philip. Really appreciate you. Yeah, let me take a look at. Oh my goodness, look at Apple. How do we have this crazy? The markets are so everywhere. They are absolutely everywhere. Thanks, Tom. Really appreciate you, my brother. Really appreciate that. Sorry, Zenon, you were talking to me about coin. Let me pull that up for you. So just remember, team, my psychology could be slightly off, and that could always affect. The trading, right? So I just need you to be careful with that. Yeah, coin on the hourly time frame, since it got its close above the linear regression band, bounced and validated the support of that LRC. This, in all technicalities, could still continue to the top side of this. Let's see, 27 minutes and 30 seconds left to close this candle. It could technically go to 177.85. So, and in fact, let me see the 30-minute. Yeah, you have everything pivoted towards the upside here in momentum. Slightly slowing down with volume, but still, it still has an upside. Still with an upside posture, man. That thing is pretty powerful. Not sure what the hell GDC is here, but let's see. I need to make sure to have the essentials too. Let me put up SPY. SPY coming up on yesterday's prior day high, right? So prior day high would be, Wednesday's high. That would be 475.90. It gapped up today. Yeah, massive gap up. Very nice. Okay, and if we're looking at this in the 5-minute time frame, there's absolutely no sell signal here from the momentum channels. So for those of you who have the momentum channels now, congratulations on your new ownership on that, right? So there is you can always do things to get rid of extra lines, right? So for example, let me just open up the screen larger here, right? So you can get rid of the background buy and sell colors, so that all you have is just your labels. You don't have to have that, right? That's already there, so that's good. I'm not gonna get rid of that. And then the low is already there too. Nice. So if we zoom in here, I just want you to see that you can highlight slightly the bottom and top band, right? So let's do that now. So this here, see, look at the top. See how it's blinking red? You could also thicken that. And in the bottom one, you can also thicken that too. Right? You don't have to have it. You can set it up really as any type of line, really. They can all be steps too. So you can do it in any which way you feel the edge could be there for you. Right, so just full on customization here, except for the, you know what, I'm going to update it even still, right, because that's just how it works. You can even get rid of your labels too, and just have your back, your rear bands print without the labels, without the buy and sell, literally where it says buy and sell. So yeah, you guys, that's what's up. So let me go ahead and just get this back to the norm, because I honestly, I like it way thinner. If not, I even like it non-existent. Cool. Yeah, very attractive. I like it. All right, team. So let's continue on the analysis here. Your one cat likes to chew cables? Oh my goodness. CYBN, says Philip. What is CYBN, my brother? Was that one ripping or what? Let's pull it up. My goodness, Microsoft is pushing. Hourly time frame. Okay. I will say that it's a little dangerous here that it continues to close beneath the linear regression band. Does it have some type of catalyst coming up? If it does, then that may explain, why. That may explain the consolidation here, right? For it's chopping around everywhere for literally today would be the third day. Do you know what I mean? So, and I say dangerous because it's closing beneath the linear regression mid-band. So every single time it closes below that, the risk here to come back and test the zone of around 37.81 to 37.69 becomes more apparent. But it's not the end of the world, right? It would just be to come back down and test that low. But it's still looking okay. Let me see this on a 30-minute. Yeah, what the hell is that? Let me see what the heck is happening here. I'm gonna get rid of the moving averages and the LRC. Damn, I hope that it's not building some stupid thing like this, man. That would suck. I mean, in all reality, it could just connect like this. So if this is what it's doing, that really sucks. If it's gonna close like this is a rising wedge, right? And this would be bearish. So yeah, it still has some upside to go, right? But remember that this the formation tends to realize at about 65 to 75% to the apex, right? So that would be right about here, which would indicate market close. So within the power hour, this could choose if it's gonna. I mean, this is a continuation formation, right? So this would be continuation towards the downside. Wow. And if that's the case, then yeah, there are a few targets to observe here. So take into consideration the center of the triangle as one of those targets, right? Draw a trend line from the top side to the bottom side, apply it to your potential area of breakout, right? We were saying that it could be as early as somewhere here, maybe. Right? Your first target would be 38.33. And then the backside of the triangle. That would then give you this target here. Let's see. That would then give you 37.94. And just in case we were to break down from this point, then yeah, we can go ahead and take into consideration a trend line from that point as well. Right? Because that's 1, 2. Or 1 as well, sorry. So that would be your bottom target of about 38.42. So these are the 3 targets here that I think CYBN could do if it actually comes to be bearish. Let's see. Dollar General looks prime for a big upside. What's up, Arca? Alfredo, what's up, buddy? I'm just over here, man, battling the stupid COVID. We looked at it for the longer hold. Oh, dude. Right, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so yeah, if you're looking at this for swing, which can last for weeks, honestly, then this is a different type of analysis. You're on an ascending formation here. Let me see if I can actually get it drawn. Eek. That's really tight. Hold on. Right, let me leave that like that. I definitely need my mid band too. Okay, so if we are in an ascending channel, let me look at other time frames just in case I'm missing something, because I think I'd rather look at this in a 3-day time frame, and that's I'm not the biggest fan of that support. Let me get rid of this. Okay. 5 hours and 16 minutes to go to close this candle here. It doesn't mean that it's going to close below it. It just means that it could be something like this. Right? So now let me see what it's like actually if I drew, or if I brought this line down. Yeah. I mean, in all technicality, that is 1, right? So we can draw a secondary support using this. I need it to be as close to, yeah, I think it's that. Oh my goodness. There we go. So I think that's what's happening here. And then I could also, yeah, actually, you know what? I'm good there. So if this is the bottom here, this means that you're following an ABCD structure, right? So, yeah, man, it's actually pretty nice. So in all reality, it looks like this thing may be done already with that play. So here, yeah, this is going to be a major decision-making moment for this asset. Right? Yeah, this is going to be a major moment for its life choices here, man. I think that it would really be ideal if this thing closed a 3-day time frame above at least this regression here, because or else the price action is going to continue to the downside, and that's going to be pretty dangerous. So keep a close eye on that, brother. But yeah, if this thing starts to revert, oh man, that's going to take you from 38 cents to potentially around almost $1. And I mean, it has a lot of resistance in the way, right? Particularly here, 49.23. Yeah, it looks like it has another area of resistance right up here around 41.86 to about 43.07. Yeah, dude, be very careful with this, man. Be very careful with this. But yeah, I feel like this would be its time to kind of switch it all up here to the upside. And oh, not bad. Let me see this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tell you something right here, brother. There is an inherent risk here, and I can't tell who's gonna decide what here. But there are two different formations that is gonna potentially screw with the psychology of the trade here. Okay, so for example, this right. What I don't like here is that it's already deep into the falling wedge, right? This is already the 90%. It's close to invalidation here. So I mean, this is a bullish formation, right? But then if we remove these and then we start looking at it from another perspective here, then you definitely have something dangerous here, right? You have a head and shoulders too. And now if that's the case, goodness in heaven, man, that wouldn't be the best thing in the world. So then that would be there are a couple things that can happen here actually. That would be a failure to 23.76. Right, or 23.92, which then would mean that there's a clear shot of fulfilling the formation's take profit or price objective, which would then be 16.84. And I really hope that's not the case. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying that in 5 hours, 11 minutes, it would be highly ideal if this thing closed. If this candle closed inside of the channel. All right, my brother. So that's what I'm looking at here, man. Just please be very careful. I hope I was able to assist with that. Chat Vivian, what's up, buddy? Oh man, I'm feeling. I'm still a little weird here, man. I have this lingering small cough that's creating my voice to go away. I still have a stuffy nose and stuff, man. I just hate dealing with this COVID crap. I usually am so careful too, man. But I'm here, man. I'm here pushing. And hopefully pushing with the team, right? Yeah, so Meta's still showing this weird downside, right? Amazon also pushing to the downside. Is the SPY actually showing weakness? Not much, but it is retracing. What about Apple? Okay, Apple's yeah, 10 minutes to go to close beneath the hourly time frame regression. SPY is trading sideways, right? Let me look at this in the hourly. Yeah, 9 minutes to go. This may actually fall back to the 474.50. Let's take a look at that. Coin, coin is feeling a little weird here. It may actually come back down, just like the other ones, right? To validate its 174.05 as the bounce from the linear regression linear regression band. Chad Vivian, thank you, buddy. SPY 30-minute time frame, bearish engulfing, says Chad. Hold on. Let me validate. Only if this candle is opening higher. This is an opening of 475.15, and the other one should not close at 475.15. Completely right. We're getting a bearish engulfing by such a tiny margin. Unseen. That's an opening of 470, 490. Sorry, this opening here is the opening 475.15, and closing was 475.15. Sorry, I got it confused real quick. But yes, they're both opening and closing at the same place. So this in practice would not be a bearish engulfing, but it's a bearish candle nonetheless, very bearish. So the thing here is that the technicality, if it's not actually a bearish engulfing, then the actual formation here would be a tweezer bottom, because it's forming now, right? So this would be, and then also notice how confluent they are. This could also be a tweezer top, but then they're slightly offset. So meaning that the SPY 30-minute and 7 minutes could actually show, it could actually show just a slight bit of an upside here to validate the top. But I'm not clear on this because this has a lot of conflicting signals. 475.27. 475.27 would be up here. Yeah, there's a lot of conflicting signals there, brother. I don't know what the heck to make out of it. Chad, are you paying for the live feed? So for OTC, NYSE, Arca, the whole thing, futures. Well, we're not trading futures right now, so it doesn't matter. But are you paying for the extra data? Yeah, that is weird that it's showing you that. Yeah, what the heck then? Sorry, so 475.18. On a day. Wait. Hold on. I'm sorry. Am I looking at the wrong ticker? It's not on Meta. You're not looking at Meta, or which one were you looking at? SPY? Your top of SPY? Kitties, you got it? Oh my goodness. That's a 6-mile run, Katie Cat. That's ridiculous. Oh my goodness, I love it. Whoa, SPY 5 minute is showing a little bit of danger here. And that's because of a symmetrical, not symmetrical, right angle triangle, right? Or descending triangle. this is a bearish formation. We have the hourly close in 4 minutes. Damn, okay, so yeah, this is a dangerous formation here. This can actually introduce a downside. And that downside could be to the prior range low, to around 473.82. And yeah, let's see the shorter time frame breakout targets. Okay, so this is the center of the triangle here. Let's bring it down to the middle, or to the bottom side, right? Okay. That target is 474.15. Yeah, look at this. Starting to break inflection. So if this is the breakdown target, so in all technicality here, we are to reach first 474.26. There you go. Entry could be at around 474.50 if it closes beneath the linear regression bottom. It's already getting front runned. There you go. It already met the second target. That was the second target there, 474.15. The low of this is 474.17. Good job. 2 targets already acquired. The third target would be 473.82. It's a fresh sell signal here printed on the SPY 5 minute. 2 minutes, 21 seconds left to close this. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so 1 minute 57. I imagine that it's going to want to come back and start testing its linear regression. That's 474.48. Yeah, 474.47. Closing in 1 minute and 36 seconds. That would be the confirmation bear play. Okay. Here we go, 1 minute 19. And now Meta is also feeling that pressure. Look at that. This is going to be 1 minute and 9 seconds to close beneath the SMA 50 and starting to test that SMA 100. It's starting to feel super bearish. Very, very, very bearish. Here we go. 52 seconds left to close beneath the linear regression band. This one too. This is what I meant, team. This would still technically have its $7, almost $8 run all the way to 351.54. It's happening. Right? So this is, remember guys, I'm not going to trade this live because of whatever I'm feeling. 25 seconds left to close. 5 minute and the hourly candles. SPY also going to close here. So in the SPY's case, there may be a slight upside. I can't tell, but there may be a slight upside here to test the resistance from the 474.48 linear regression bottom. So that's also something that has to be kind of observed here. Okay, so but here's the close. Oh my goodness, look at that. EMA 200 test right there on Meta. So much volatility for a downside. Incredible price action here. So what's it looking like, guys, for your SPY play? Let's see the SPY play. Very clean. All right, second target acquired, a third target acquired too. We were able to notice it before anything, team. And remember, this is your momentum channels printed up here, and this thing delivered. It started printing red, in fact, over here. And then it slowly faded in. That's powerful, team. That's powerful. So congratulations to those who actually ended up getting the momentum channels. Please let me know how it trades. Let me know what advantages you have found, right? Because remember, I'm not offering this in any other video. The momentum channels, right? I'm only offering it to you guys, my tight-knit group here for the live stream. So you guys are the ones that I show it to. You guys are the ones that benefit from this. Okay, so you let me know how it runs for you. Like OGG has been telling us that it's been running pretty nice for his plays. Hey Scott, how are you, my brother? ZIM? So it closed beneath the. Okay, so I expect an upside here to around 1185. But I want you to notice how volume is decreasing here while price action is inclining. Technically, that's a bearish divergence, right? So this, yeah, it may be able to go up anywhere between the 1178 prior bar high to the 1184 top side of the linear regression, and then actually come back down, because this is technically a bear play. It did close beneath the linear regression bands. So the upside here would be first and then resist to the bottom side to test hopefully potentially the 1142. Bob, 2 runners on that SPY. Good job. Good job, my brother. Very good job. Very nice, my brother. I love it. I love to hear it. But look at this. Look at this. Yeah, if I get rid of the momentum channels, check it out. It was a perfect grab of the EMA 200 here. And that's good stuff, man. I love it. I love it. Let me get rid of the vibrate on my phone. I hate it. So yeah, team, please let me know how that goes with you, right? And if you are if you're still interested in acquiring the momentum channels, I will not be selling this for too long, team. Remember that this is just to the end of the year. And then I'm going to actually sell this for the real price here. I'm just selling it dirt cheap right now for us here. But then after this that's going to be something else. So let me just go ahead and put it up here for you, team, okay? Just get in touch with me, arcabulls@gmail.com. And that should do it. Clean break. Look at this thing, man. Where's SPY? 19 seconds left to close. This could actually show a reversion here. It is a nice hammer candle after. Maybe not. That's starting to look outside of a hammer. If it closes beneath the prior bar low, then yeah, this could be considered a continuation to the downside. It would be best if it closed. I mean, honestly, it's always best if it closed at SMA 50. But SMA 50 could serve as a support, then take this thing to the upside, right, to validate some of the resistances. Just like that. But I don't know if see, that's the thing, is you can't ever tell if it's just gonna blow by it or support from it. It's just a probabilities game, you know? Now, the actual close here would be better. So 4 minutes and 31 seconds to potentially close beneath the SMA 50. That would be great. Cryptic, bro, not feeling too good, man. What's up, bro? How are you? My Adam's apple got super transitioned out of me, bro. Damn. It got sliced up and it got served up. Oh, dude. Bob, awesome, brother. That's awesome. But a quick little secret right there, team, because I have to be transparent, right? I did the no-no, and I actually traded the meta drop. I was really hoping that I didn't mess up, man. I broke a little rule there just because I'm just getting winded, right? I'm getting tired, and I'm like, oh, man. I'm not playing any of these plays. So playing the meta drop was actually good, team. And my entry was up here, right? 355.75. I just covered it down here. It was a pretty large play at the EMA 200. Huge downside. And I was out of the money for a bit though, because I completely trusted the momentum channels for me, right? So I trusted this thing to do it. So it pushed me out of the money, and then the thing just continued to drop here, and it was a pretty nice 78 or 87% gainer. I forgot what it was, one of those numbers. So this could be a nice validator for a continuation to the downside, team. Check it out. 5-minute time frame meta. Potential closure beneath the EMA 200 for a continuation to the downside. Meta's average true range would meet right down here. Right around $350, $351. And yeah, it's looking pretty damn good. Well, what I mean is for the play, for the downside play. It's waiting on the gem catalyst, Ian. Is that really a strong catalyst? Is it really? I would love to know if that's like the catalyst that people want. I'm wondering here if it's going to get that closure beneath the EMA 200. Take a look at the 5-minute bear volume. It's about to move. Well, this second candle may be the one to, or it may be one yes, one no, one yes, one no, right? So meaning above bear volume above the moving average. Okay, gotcha. The $57 million thing buyback. Is that what it is? I think it could be that, right? Yeah, 20 seconds left. I feel like this is going to be a continuation to the downside, team. Check it out. Almost closing beneath the EMA 200. Oh. This thing's a whole lie. Oh my goodness. Nice. It got a closure below it. Double X, we'll talk soon, my brother. Please be safe. Be well. Here's a continuation to the downside we spoke of upon that closure, team. Looking okay. All right, short-term take profit could be located somewhere between 352.59 and about 352.40, but it could still continue to its average true range bottom, like I said, right? 351. It really is dependent on the play completely. But this to me still feels like the Bears are probably in control here. And Double X, Ian said yes, that he was referring to NVOS, brother. Just in case you're still in here. Okay. Man, that was a massive signal here, man. Woo, this one. That is ridiculous. So, there is a chance here, right? There is a chance of recovery. But what I will say is that if this candle closes again, right, it closes beneath the EMA 200, then the next 5-minute candle would be the real drop candle, because that one would have a chance to close without any exposure on the EMA 200, right? So I like to see a clean close too before that downside. So 2 minutes and 35 seconds to go. Oh, you were telling him, brother. Double X, I'm gonna catch you soon, my brother. Please be safe. Be well, my bro. Two minutes to go, team. Closing above the EMA 200 would send price here to start validating a resistance at the SMA 100. Definitely not confirmed as a potential reversal, as there's still some weakness to the market. Nice. Yeah, man, having this feeling is just it's like so laggy. I feel like I can't express the energy that I really have. What I mean is in my head, right? Because I'm definitely getting winded as hell, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, 1 minute and 8 seconds. It looks like it wants to come back to that support there, huh? Now the question would be if it'll break below the EMA 200 again. Ooh, getting close. Let me get a sip of water, team. Oh, Cryptic, no way. That sucks, dude. That's insane, man. Sorrison, yeah, man. I'm not feeling too well, brother. I have I have like this. I have COVID, man. And I'm dealing with it, but it's all good. It's all good, dude. I'm just getting really winded and fast, right? So I can't I can't really express what I feel in my head. I actually I made a pretty, you know, I also can't have people really follow too much of what I'm saying because of my psychology, right? The way that I feel right now, it's not the best. So with that said, it's just like I made a actually really dangerous trade, and it was actually a puts play, right? My entry was right here at the sell signal from my algorithm, and I'm like, you know what? If my let me let the AI take over here, and let's see if it can actually run me instead of me run it. And it actually worked out pretty nicely. It was a huge play, man, and I just I was very thankful. You know what I mean, man? You did too, Cryptic? Bro, it was a killer play. It was a killer play. Oh, nice, man. Dude, I honestly feel like, yeah, I honestly feel like so sluggish that I let it take over for me to see if I could just trust it. I did a blind trade just like OGG did yesterday and the day before. So that was in reality the whole bet here. Let's see. You're trying an algo play, see how it goes? Nice, brother. So minimal risk, right? You ain't that crazy? Well, remember that I'm trying to build this thing kind of around me, and then I'll put the conditions for it to I'll put the conditions there for it to not decide as the human set of conditions. I put it there to decide as, as a machine based on logic instead of discretion. Only 100 shares? Nice, bro. At least, yeah, to at least get a good trade on that, right? Just a simple one. Gal, what is up with you? Good to see you here. I apologize if you hear my voice sounding a little weird, right? I'm a little under the weather. And currently getting a little winded too. So I'm wondering if maybe I'm gonna have to give out here soon because my no, I'm like, what is this, my third day, I think, right, of the virus. I think I still have another 2 days to go of it. I really hope that I can be better by Sunday, so that we can spend some time with the family. Really feel bad about that. You know what I mean? But thank you, Gal. Thank you so much for asking. I really appreciate you so much. And yeah, hold on just a moment here. Apologies, team. I just needed to blow my nose. I started getting a little stuffy there, and I felt like I was gonna die, man. I'm like, wait, I'm gonna start talking in ends, and then no one's gonna be able to understand me. Oh goodness. Sorry, hold on, team. Ooh, 93. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, it met all of our targets already, right? So that's good. But yeah, there is resistance coming up right over here. Is it affecting meta? I mean, okay, yeah, let me look at that ticker for you, brother. So I'm gonna be I'm gonna be honest with you, right? So I actually I'm not saying these because I don't want you guys following me on this, man, but I definitely longed the 1 minute. I'm still in the position right now and I'm in the green. Right, so I'm just letting the damn AI trade for me. So right, so at any point I can take profits on this as I'm just trying to see how far it can take it. And if it can take it further, great. If it can't, it can't. Right, but I'm really just letting this thing. Oh, dude, I'm way in the money, brother. I think with this downside here, I'm probably just gonna cover 3/4 of the position. Damn, lucky shot I did, right? I'm really testing it. I'm testing small positions, brother. I think I'm entering like $30. Like one contract, way out of the money type thing. I'm not risking anything while I feel like this. You know what I mean, buddy? Yeah, dude, Meta's main play here. I was scalping this one. But Meta's short play was a massive gainer, dude. Huge gainer here. You hear that crap, man? It's terrible. So I'm really forward testing my algo, brother. I want to see how well it does. And so far it's been doing pretty good. Pretty good. What about you, brother? You have exposure on something or no? Tom, you run it? All right, buddy. Happy holidays to you, my bro. Be safe, be well. Oh, is that the trade, brother? The 100 shares ENPH? Tom, feel better, man. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I appreciate you, brother. My brother, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate you too. That's really kind, man. Be safe, be well. Take care of yourself, my bro. Oh yeah. Later, man. That's that one play, Alex, that's the one that was running the other day too, right? That was the one that was running. It was Polish, I think it was called, right? Yeah, Polish was the play, and I think I remember a bunch of people making some nice gains on that. Let's take a look at it. Polish, right? PO. Actually, let me get into this here. Look at Amazon, man. Wow. What the hell? Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. 4 million in volume today, and it's up 46.29%. Damn, the 5 minutes signaled here on the AI at 382, sitting at 591. Holy goodness, man. That was not bad here. Wow. EO, you're saying William bores the hell out of you just saying? Dude, what the hell? That was so random coming in here saying that, man. I haven't seen that guy or talked to that guy in a while. I would find resistance here, right? It's right at its linear regression top. It's not to say that it can't continue, right? Because its actual resistance would be at 601 to around 606. Hell yeah, free speech, bro. It's all good. I gotta say though, man, that was a funny one. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, I'm out of the damn meta play. That was this turned out to be an 11% gainer. That's it. I took the 3/4 position out here, and I just took the last bit of it here. So it's all good, team. I just followed the damn AI to do whatever the hell it did, man. And I was like, all right, let's go, man. You do it for me. I'm lazy as hell. I'm winded. I don't want to do nothing. Even Cryptic was like, what the hell are you doing, man? I'm like, bro, it's okay, man. Trust my positions are like $30 entries, man. It's really nothing. They're just, they're really, really good forward tests. Because, dude, when I'm feeling like this, bro, I really would not size up. I wouldn't really trade like this, dude. But honestly, that was a lucky shot. I'm not gonna do that again, by the way. That was a really lucky shot here. So everything I just played is just, it's it's just free cash, man. But EO, were you just there? Or were you just at Williams live or something? Or why are you saying that? Dude, that is ridiculous, man. That is so good. Oh God. Hell no, I'm not high, man. Oh my goodness, dude. It just sucks. Hey, maybe actually, because I got a bunch of Dayquil in me. Look at this consolidation with this thing, man. It's not really doing anything. Is that the SPY? Is that the reason why? Okay, well, yeah, the SPY came up to that resistance we spoke of, right? Completely rejected from it. To be fair, it's still on a sell signal here, right? But and also in 30 minutes. Oh, that's a nice signal though. Yeah, 30 minutes here. Look at this. The hourly time frame could be printing a reversal signal. That would be a potential hammer candle depending on where it closes. So, I mean, honestly, if it closed up here, it'd be probably ideal. 474.41-ish, like right around there. So it can be a nice little hammer, right? But yeah, if it starts to close down here at 474.09, huge indecision doji, right? So nice. Look at the SPY showing some of that strength coming back in. Oh, Bob. Yeah, we were talking about a blind trade, meaning trading on the signals of the momentum channels. Dude, whatever I just said right there was so difficult for me to say. I got winded as hell. And trust me, man, I know. It's like I'm erring in the side of boring here. It's so terrible. Man, oh man. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. Damn, the SPY resisting from that same resistance. I'm wondering if it's going to be able to pass through it this time around. Coin moving up. Nice. Let's see. When the music goes away, you can hear my typing like crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Good deal. Good deal. Look at the SPY ripping it, man. Looking good. Is it pushing meta up? Sort of. Sort of pushing it up, right? Is AMD getting it too? Let's see. Yeah, kitties. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you how true that is. Gotta stop trading on the sick days. It's you know, like my impatience is there because I really wanted to try out this. I really wanted to put a forward test here of my own on the momentum channels, you know, because dude, I'm pretty excited over how this thing was built, and it still, of course, has its kinks here and there. You know, you could still consider tinkering, you know, but so far it's done pretty good. It's not bad. AMD 5-minute inverse head and shoulder. I'm sorry, inverse head and shoulders. Actually, just a regular head and shoulders, or what? This is all today. This could be wow. Hourly time frame resisting that SMA 10. Oh my goodness. Is there an inherent danger here? I'm wondering if we close beneath that SMA 10 on the hourly time frame, AMD would actually send it to the downside. Yeah, Zenon, that's due to volatility. So this, I've said that before here. That even if you have a call option, right, and price action is continuing to the upside, you can still lose money. Now, why would that be? That lays within your Vega metric. So if Vega, which represents the rate of change for implied volatility, if your implied volatility starts dropping, that means that whatever the Vega metric is going to be the rate of change for the loss for every single point or tick that the percentage drops. So if it drops from 100% to 99%, it would be Vega times 100 shares, which are within the one contract of that value, right? So it'll be, let's just say that it were 10 cents of Vega. That would be 10 cents times 100 shares for every point that you drop down. So 199, 98, 97, that's going to be 10 times 100 shares as your volatility drops. Options contracts are completely dependent on volatility. So it's important for you to check this out too. Your 5-minute time frame volatility, right? So if you're looking at it in a linear fashion, this would be a pretty good thing to see. If there's expansion happening, that means implied volatility is rising, right? And if it's coming down, that means that you're contracting. That's going to lose volatility. So generally speaking, whenever you reach that critical zone and then you start to contract, that would be the moment you want to get rid of your options contracts, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It's a mental note for yourself, or something that you could write down, right? So there are several tricks. to the trade here. 93. Oh, right. You were talking about that VA play. What BA? Is that a Bank of America? Boeing? Are you puts? Boeing. Sorry, I had my eyes kind of glued on AMD here. Where was it? I'm going to bring it next to this. Yeah, because AMD is starting to feel really weak. Check it out, Cryptic. Look at AMD, brother. There could be something there. 5-minute time frame, head and shoulders. 5-minute time frame testing, EMA 200 support. And the last thing I think was the SMA 10, 22 minutes to close beneath it. There could be something there. And NVIDIA turned red. That's what I was curious about earlier. I didn't get to see it. So 93, are you playing, you're short on the, okay. If you're short this stock, that means you're playing shares, okay? So you're not going to be worried about implied volatility. You're at a resistance testing range now, right? So that range is in a very discretionary manner, right? Please remember, try not to follow my trades right now that I'm not feeling the best. So this is a short-term, this is your prior day lows here. Right, so your prior day lows are important to maintain price under, right? So here we're sitting at 260.40. Aiden, what's up, buddy? Sorry, I'm not feeling too well, man. I'm a little under the weather, but we be chilling, man. ENPH made the algo play. Nice, man. Let's go see it real quick. I'm gonna continue seeing BA too. What time frame did you execute from on the, did you execute the 5-minute? It looks like it longed you right at about what, 134.89? Five-minute time frame? Yeah, man, that's, did it long you from the close or for the open? Wow, that's huge, bro. This thing is big time playing. Yeah, I mean, if you're already in the money, right? I mean, you're already at a critical resistance. That's a gap here on the 5-minute. So, dude, but yeah, it's still massively green. Triple moving average crossover on the ARC averages as well. ENPH. Yeah, careful. Eyeballs on your LRC resistance, bro, on the hourly. Up over $1 on that play, man. Damn. So did the signal fire off for you at the open or the close of the 5-minute? That's awesome, bro. Take that profit. That's awesome. Do you remember how it longed you? Did it long it at the open? At the open of it. Cool. Dude, yeah. So far the algo's reading pretty okay, you know, and I'm really happy that you were able to do a blind test too, because dude, if anybody I can really put some weight on would be you. OGG does great, but he also knows how to creatively make money. I know you're just gonna simplify it. You're just gonna long at one point and close at another, and that's it, you know. So, not to discredit anyone whatsoever, but I really do feel like you have more of a raw way of testing things, and I do appreciate that you did that, brother. So it did good. It did good on a trade. I love it. Can't complain, right? Okay. So wow. man, I must say, right, this is a huge break of prior bar lows. And also, you're breaking way below the previous day, right? So if you're short this stock, I gotta say this thing is still looking weak. Yeah, you may have an upside here to test that SMA 10 to 261.29. I'm more like an institutional trader than OGG. Yeah, dude, I completely agree. The SPY is finally falling. Okay, there we go. So this was the break, resistance grab, validation for the resistance of the descending triangle, right? This was the bearish formation. We noticed right up here, team, just before the sell signal fired. And you can see this thing is still honoring the sell signal on the 5-minute time frame. Very, very, very clean. So yeah, as far as BA, yeah, you have immediate short-term time frame upside for sure. Okay, so and then also notice here that the SMA 50 would be your resistance too. And that's in line with the SMA 10 on the hourly time frame. Just in case price action goes up there, then there could be, there could be a resistance grab there. So if we can close, however, if we can close the current hourly candle at least below prior bar lows, which would be 260.34 and below, then that would actually apply pressure towards the downside. And also prior day lows, which would be 260.21. If you can close beneath that, especially, then your downside targets would be closer to your Lin Reg bottom, 258.56, right around there. On the SPY, technically, yeah, it could be one, right? So if we were to focus here, its targets. Little bit of an ugly one, but yeah, still considered to be one, sure. So let's measure it up. So this is implying that on the 5-minute time frame that the SPY would be beneath the EMA 200 at 472.46. The actual bottom of the range would be 472.53 to about 472.57 ish. Yeah, but this is showing massive weakness. I will admit. 100%, my brother. Good eye. Definitely a good eye. So this is a cool little test here, right? So if I'm not sure that it'll do it, but this 5-minute candle, if it closes beneath that SMA 50, that would be pretty insane. It would also imply a closure beneath the EMA 55. But it's currently supporting from it pretty nicely here. 16 seconds left, 15:14. And no recovery signal is still suggesting the sell signal. Still closed above the SMA 50. I wonder if it's going to pressure here. Man, it is definitely pressuring it. Wow, look at that. Still really hasn't made its decision though, has it? Nice, look at that thing. Very cool. Very interesting too. It feels like the SPY is gonna fall off here, team. I'm honestly expecting maybe a 5-minute closure for a validation, right? So 3 minutes and 56 seconds left to close this candle here. It's already broken way beyond prior bar low. So there may be a good shot at this to the downside too. I just don't know if this is the little trick here. So 13 minutes and 30 seconds left to close the hourly time frame. And if this moves on to the upside, it would probably be to test its linear regression top, which would then be again another test of the resistance from the triangle. But I think a good way for us to kind of validate or invalidate that upside move would be some moving averages here, particularly the SMA 50. But what are you thinking? What are you thinking? Let me know in the chat. What are you looking at? Very volatile right now. And it's also, what time is it, right? It's about it's about 12 minutes here to lunchtime. Around now is really when you should start collecting, gathering your chips, right? Cash out. And then let yourself be, let yourself fly. Bask in your profits, team. Take a look at that, right? And that's why you wait for validations and confirmations. But yeah, team. Let's go ahead and cut the stream here, team. I think I definitely need to get some rest. I'm feeling that winded feeling again. And I think I should probably consider sleeping right away. Really love that everybody was able to make it out today, team. Appreciate y'all. Ian Tucker, Sasquatch. Oh, Sasquatch, I didn't see that SONX, man. I can't believe it, man. I'm like not performing well right now. Aiden, love you, buddy. We'll talk soon. Cryptic, I'm gonna catch you later, bro. Bob Zen, 93. Sasquatch, I owe you one, buddy. I messed up. I think you even told me twice, I think. Brad, my brother, thank you so much. You too, my dude. I'll catch you later, SA. Kill it out there, guys. Katie Cat, if you're still around there running those 6 miles, you kill it. She also has it, man. She tested positive last night. I feel bad for her. She's having a hard time. But I appreciate you, team. Let's go ahead and cut it. I'm definitely tired. My goodness, man, that sucks. I can't believe it. I hate it. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never and never and never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well a very good rest of your day, and I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.